Nice leopard, Cam.
Oh shit! Look at that.
Give him some slack. Let him go down some.
Told you.
He's tangled.
He's gonna break your line. Oh no, you got that stuff.
Give him some slack. Give him some slack.
All right, hold on.
Child, don't let her spin on you.
Yeah. Whatever this is, just I did too. Oh my god, my arm is so tired.
Babe.
Hold on. What do you want me to do? Record it too?
Yes. Your phone. You don't need your phone. Get that net out of here.
Bat ray. It's flapping.
Yep, I see the
It's
tail.
a big ass bat ray.
Oh my god.
It's a big ass bat ray.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh, big ass bat ray.
Good shit.
Oh, whoa, whoa. Woo! That boy took off.
So, do we
Oh,
have
yeah.
any other poles out?
No, I didn't even get a chance to put mine back out.
No, I'm telling you, it gets crazy out here.
Look how that thing goes. My God.
It's pretty cool.
Oh my god.
You got it hooked on the
Oh,
face.
hooked on the
Foul
tail.
hook.
Nuts.
Stay away from his
Kyle.
ass.
Yeah, Kyle, look how big that fucking stinger is, dude. Look at him, he's trying to get you.
I got red rags too, in case.
Kyle, don't drop those big ass pliers. Nice.
Good shit. Good release.
Good.
Shark. I
See a little guy?
don't see him, but I feel it. Yeah, he's
Oh my
little.
God.
Beast.
Babe.
Oh
Damn.
Oh shit. Kelly, grab my pole. Kelly, grab my pole.
Oh my god, he's taking it.
Babe, release.
Hold on.
shit. I'm reeling in.
I'm freaking out.
He's gonna pop that line. He's gonna pop that line. You need help? He's got it like that.
No, I'm loosening it.
Oh my god, he's pulling the face down.
Oh, this fucking drag is sticking. Oh my God.
What is it?
I don't
Oh my god.
It's
What
fucking
piece
something.
catch?
Whatever it is, it's fucking big, dude.
It's fucking huge. I don't like how my drag's sticking.
It's alright, just fight him. Get that bitch tired. Here, let's do it. We got something huge.
Come on, baby. We'll let you go.
Oh my god.
We'll let you go, baby. That is
World record?
that is a thickin'. World record my ass. Kelly, you be careful, goddammit. Flip her upside down and get.
Big girl. Oh yes.
Turn over. Get out of here, baby.
Go.
Nice. Hurting all these big fish. Can you get it out? Hold on to that pole.
Yeah, I am.
I'm reeling in.
Alright, someone help you, okay? We're gonna get in. Now reel down.
This is gonna be one hell of good.
Every time I say okay,
video?
Every time I say okay, reel down, okay?
Yeah.
Hella action.
Huh? Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Reel down.
Well, everything on here is worthy.
Now stop.
Yeah.
Pull them up. Now reel down some. Up, stop. You gotta work them just like this. You ready? Reel down. Stop. See how I'm doing this?
Yeah.
You gotta keep pulling both of us.
He wants to follow over.
Really?
Reel down. Alright, stop.
What do you have? Hours.
Ready, reel
Did
down.
you have the pliers?
Yeah, they're in the front, on the right by the window.
Up there.
Stop. There he goes. Look
Oh
at him.
yeah,
Look at
nice
him.
size one. Very nice.
Alright, reel down one more time for Kelly. Alright, stop. Belly up. Look at that big bastard.
There you go, beef.
Hold on.
Woo!
Ready, Kel?
Yep.
You tell me when you're ready.
Oh shit.
Alright, hold on. It's alright.
That was good to go.
Alright.
Cameron, watch my pole, please. I'm getting a bite.
Shit, I got it.
Crap. Alright, we're coming up, babe. Kel. twist it in there good. There you go. There you go. No.
What?
Did that just happen? That's
I
from
really
us.
could pull it.
That's
It was
from
like-
us grabbing it.
Grabbing it. Shark. Oh, a little smooth hound?
Decent size too. A lot bigger than anything we caught, Kel.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Hold on. I need to get the HookEmHeavy going. Damn, your bowl's ready though. Oh yeah. Is that a spiny dogfin? Nope.
I thought we don't have them.
Dad, look at that. That color, man.
Damn, it is a good size one.
That's hella pretty. It's like bronzy,
lot bigger than
coppery
anything we
silver.
caught.
If it is, bring it in the boat.
Yeah, I'll grab it.
You guys didn't keep that one?
No, not keep it, but
Right.
wow. Watch that hook. Action photos.
Well, there you go. You got it.
Thank you, sir. Kyle's on a big fish.
Oh, that's so uncomfortable. So uncomfortable. Wait, come here and hold it or something. Oh, you strapped my ear on the right. What are you doing to me?
Your reel was screaming how big you think it is.
Just be careful. Is that how you normally have it?
I guess. I
Is it around
can't
your
see.
hat?
Yeah.
Is this shark or a ray?
I don't know yet. Yeah, probably a ray.
Yeah, screaming like that.
God, I wish I had that on camera.
Need it? Big one?
Damn, it jumped. Did you see that?
Is that what that was?
Yeah.
Oh.
Head is huge.
Yeah, that is a big broadhead. Beautiful, Kel.
All right, Bees. Let's see
Good.
what- Reeling in.
I just love it. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. Little guy, but he's fighting good though. Fighting like a 10-100 pounder. There's no way.
Picture with it.
Showed up the camera.
I got a camera on my head. Oh, and I'm getting a bite.
I kept looking at yours too.
Woo!
Sorry.
It's just me, myself, and I. Generally
Let's get some fight. You're okay. job. Thank you.
Cool. You're welcome.
We got doubles. We got double rays. Reel them in, babe, and swing them to me. There you go. Just like that. Don't drop. Don't put the slack in your line, okay? Don't. You're dropping too fast. Little ray. Oh, she got a nice leopard. Oh.
Oh, geez. That's a big shark.
I want a picture of it.
All right, get your gloves on.
Alright.
Oh.
I got the pole.
I
Yeah.
need to cover.
Where'd I grab this guy? Behind the head too?
Yeah, just grab behind the head.
I need somebody to hand me those fires. I want to get the bat rag.
Here.
Thank you.
Look, babe. Got it?
Yeah. Got a big one.
That's at least 40 pounds.
Oh.
Clamped onto it.
No, she spit all over me.
Nice.